Determine the equations of the medians of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A, -1, 6, B, -3, -9, and C has the coordinates 5, -8. So let us begin. So here we have a triangle ABC. The coordinates of the vertices A, B, and C are given to us. Now D, E, and F are the midpoints of the sides BC, CA, and AB respectively. So if we join A and D, so that gives us the median of the triangle AD on the side BC. Similarly, BE is going to be the median on side CA and CF is going to be the median on the side AB of the triangle. Our goal will be to determine the equation of the medians of the triangle. And to do this, we are going to use what is referred to as the two-point form of a line. So let's quickly recapitulate what is the two-point form of a line. The two-point form of a line states that if we have a line passing through the points x1, y1 and x2, y2, these are the 2 points, then the equation of the line will be given by y minus y1 equals to the slope, which is defined as y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 times x minus x1. So that means in order to find out the equation of the median AD, we will be needing to find out first the coordinates of point D as well as E to find out the equation of median BE and then coordinates of F. So how shall we do that? Now, since D is the midpoint of side BC, we can use the midpoint formula to find out the coordinates of point D. So let's do that. So here we find out the x coordinate first. All we have to do is take the sum of the x coordinates of B and C. So here we have -3 added to 5 and then we're going to divide it by 2. Then to find out the y coordinates, we're going to take the sum of the y coordinates of B and C. So that's -9 added to -8 divided by 2. That comes out to be 1, -17 over 2. So this is going to be the coordinates of the midpoint D. Next, we will try to find out the coordinates of the midpoint E and followed by the coordinates of midpoint F. So let's start with the coordinates of midpoint E. So we have 5 added to -1. So we're adding up the x coordinates of A and C and divide the result by 2. Then we are going to add 6 with -8, 6 minus 8 and divide by 2. So that's going to be equals to 2, -1. And then we're going to find out the coordinates of the midpoint F. So that's going to be, so we have -3 added to -1, so that's -4. Divided by 2 gives us -2. And then we have 6 added to -9, so that's -3. We have -3 over 2. So now we have the coordinates of point D. That's 1, -17 over 2. Coordinates of E came out as 2, -1, and coordinates of F came out as -2, -3 over 2. So now we can use the two-point form to obtain the equation of the medians AD, BE, and CF. So let's do that. We'll first find out the equation of AD. Now, since we are finding out the equation of AD, we need 2 points. One will be point A and one will be point D. So it's totally our choice which one we choose as x1, y1 and the other as x2, y2. So here, let's say A I'm choosing as x1, y1. Then D is going to be x2, y2. Right. So let's plug in our value. So we have y minus y1. So y1 will be 6. This will be equals to, now we find out the slope, we need y2 minus y1. So that's -17 over 2 minus y1. So that's going to be 6 divided by, we need x2 minus x1. We need 1 minus -1. So that's 1 plus 1. This will be multiplied to x minus x1. So x1 is -1. So we get x plus 1. So we get y minus 6 equals to, so this expression will be -29 over 4. Multiplied to x plus 1. Now we're going to multiply both sides with 4. That gives us 4y minus 24 equals to -29x minus 29. Rearranging the terms to get 29x plus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. So here we have obtained our first equation. So this is going to be the equation of the median AD. Let's find out the next equation of the median. So we'll consider the median BE. Fine. So here we will consider, let's say B as x1, y1 and E as x2, y2. So that's totally up to your choice. You could have chosen E as x1, y1 and B as x2, y2. You'll get the same result. So we get y minus y1. So y1 will be negative 9. So we have y plus 9 equals to, now we find out the slope. We need y2 minus y1. So that will be negative 1 minus negative 9. So that's going to be positive 9 divided by, we need x2. So that's my x2 is 2 minus x1. So that will be positive 3. This will be multiplied to x minus x1. So x1 is negative 3. So we'll get positive 3 here. We have y plus 9 equals to, so negative 1 plus 9, that's 8. 2 plus 3, that's positive 5. This will be multiplied to x plus 3. Multiplying throughout with 5, we get 5y plus 45 equals to 8x plus 24. Let's rearrange the term. So we have 8x minus 5y. That will be equals to 45 minus 24. So that's going to be 21. So this is the equation of the median BE. Next, we will try to find out the equation of the third median CF. So CF will be, so let's choose f as x1 comma y1, and we're going to choose c as x2 comma y2. So all we need to do is substitute a value. So we have y minus y1. So y1 will be negative 3 over 2. That will be equals to, now we need y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this will get multiplied to x minus x1. So that will be simply 2. So when we simplify this, this is going to give us the equation of CF. 13x plus 14y plus 47 equals to 0. So this is going to be the equation of the median CF. So this is how we can use the 2-point form of a line to find out the equation of the medians of a triangle when the coordinates of the vertices are provided to us.